Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are showing cute and stylish summer crochet tops for baby girls. These handmade crochet tops are light, comfortable, and perfect for warm summer days. If you love crochet baby clothes, handmade baby outfits, and cute baby fashion ideas, this video will inspire you with beautiful crochet tops designs for baby girls. In this video, you will see cute crochet summer tops for baby girls, handmade crochet baby clothes, stylish baby girls, crochet tops, lightweight crochet tops for summer. These crochet tops are perfect for summer outings, birthdays, photoshoots, and casual wears. If you like these designs, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more baby fashions and crochet ideas. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. To pick beautiful crochet pattern, watch whole video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.